What is up, guys? Welcome to another edition of Marauders. Hopefully, everybody's having a great week out there. Able to lock in some profits. So starting the video pretty soon. So let me pull up the comment section for people who are going to be posting comments, so I can answer them during the stream. Give me 1 second. But overall, I hope everybody is having a great week. Um, the economy seems to be, stock market is still going down a little bit, but overall still going back up a little bit as well. So some stocks are recovering, some are not going back up, but it's kind of a 50-50 in my personal opinion. So first we're talking about the crypto ones on here. So for crypto, we got a BTC, which is back down at 56,000. So kind of on a little bearish downward trend at the current moment. And then next on the list we have Ethereum. So Ethereum being the number 2 one is currently back at, if it'll load. All right, so Ethereum being at 1767. So not too bad for Ethereum. That's kind of on sale in my opinion as well. Next on here we have DOT. So DOT, and that is for Polkadot. So if we get that one to load up here, you can see Polkadot's at 35.34. So it's been going kind of down as well. And so it was earlier around this 37.15, so it's kind of been going down some as well. Next on here we have Chili's, so CHZ, and that's going to be for Chili's, which is on the watch list as well. Chili's has been kind of going up, so definitely keep an eye out on Chili's. It's been on a little bit of a bullish run up. It hit 66 cents, so I think that's its highest. It's currently at 63 cents, so only 3 cents away from its high for the week. So definitely look at Chili's. Next up, we have ADA for Cardano, which has been on a bullish run. I think Cardano is going to continue to be on a bullish run. Even though it's at 123, it was way lower for quite some time, like around like something lower than that. It did shoot up. It did hit 148, so that's its 24-hour high. 24-hour low being $1.20, so it's kind of have a vast range of how fast it's moving. But overall, I think long term, Cardano's definitely a good one to look at. Next up, we have Doge, the famous Doge coin. Which is ranked number 17 on CoinGecko, and that's what I'm using on here, CoinGecko. So if you guys want to look at it after the stream, I'm using CoinGecko just for prices. Doge, kind of been more of the same. Not really, much fluctuation on this one. So it did have a large dip, fell all the way down to 0.057, and then shot back up to 0.05743. But throughout this week, it's been, I think 0.58 is kind of the highest it's been at. So definitely keep an eye out on Doge. It's not really moving too much. It usually moves off news, like Elon Musk making a tweet or something like that. But definitely keep an eye out on Doge since it already has a lot of popularity. Next up, we have Binance Coin, so BNB, which is at 260. So it's kind of going down a little bit. It's been down 4.1%. So it's down a little bit as well. It seems like a lot of these coins are starting to go down. They did have a high. It's been like 276, 78. So that's kind of where it's been up from. And then lastly on here, SafeMoon. So SafeMoon has been going down a lot lately. So it's at 0.000009. So it is very, very cheap. Almost free, looks like, at this point in time. But, you know, still got mixed feelings about this one. This one is fairly new, to the market cap. So it is one of those ones that they do burn it as they get it. So as more transactions happen, they burn more. So the supply will over time become less, but I think there are 1 trillion of them in circulation and supply. So I think the last total I saw is 40K of them had been burned. So um, this price right here, I think it's pretty cheap at the current moment. So definitely look at Safe Moon. Now, Safe Moon's just relatively speculative play, just like Hose or another coin like that that's really low. But just bear in mind these are all spec plays, not financial advice. I'm not telling you which ones to jump into or not jump into. So going on the watch list, we have mRNA for Moderna. So Moderna ended the day at 141.85. Overall bearish. Moving average 10 started to go down below moving average 50. It looks like it's going to bounce off the moving average 100, but overall bearish, ending at 141.85. Next up, we have ticker sign IBRX, which is bullish. Moving average 10 is above 50 and 100. Started to fall off a little bit today with the VWAP kind of went down. It did end on a positive note though, and 84 cents above closed at 35.20. So definitely looking to see if that can turn around for tomorrow. Next up, we have SSY, which has been kind of sideways between this oscillatory range. So more sideways trading on this one until we can get some more news. It is bearish. Moving average 10 is below 50. So we're going to look to see if some more news can come out to make this one shoot back up. Next up, we have ticker sign LIFE, which is bullish. Moving average 10 above 50 and 100. And VWAP up above moving average 10. So bullish on that one. 631 is the high, the week high. So we're going to see if it can test that. Looks like it bounced off the moving average 50 for today. Hopefully it'll bounce back up. Had a little 13-cent rally, which 2.47% increased, and at 239 for the day. But we'll see if that momentum can carry on for tomorrow to test this $6.31 level. And next on the previous watch list, and the last one on the previous watch list, we have ticker sign ANIX, which is still bullish, moving average 10 above 50 and 100, but VWAP is starting to go down, so wanting to see that go back above the moving average 10, which will hopefully we'll do tomorrow. It did end 66 cents above closed in at 765 for the day. I will have to test 809, but I do like the fact that it did end on a positive note today. So next up for the watch list for today, we have W Key International, which shot up to $15.80. It ended the day at 13.10 and then went up $1.98 after hours, then at 15.08. It is bullish, moving average 10 above 50 and 100, and VWAP is above moving average 10. Going to be looking to see how this performs for tomorrow. Price target on this one, probably say around $20. So definitely looking to see if it'll reach that $20 price. Next up, we have ticker sign IMNM for Immunome. They have a week high of $36 even. Moving average 10 is above 50 and 100. View up above moving average 10. Looks like it's beginning to crawl back up, like it bounced off of this moving average 10 line and start to go back up. Which next strike price is going to be at $36 range. So I think it definitely has potential to get back to the $36 range. So that's what I'm looking at. But it is bullish. Moving average 10 above 50 and 100, and view up above moving average 10. Next up, we have ticker sign VUZI, which I think is a very good long-term play. They do make smart glasses, so if you remember Google Glasses, which was kind of a thing that Google did for a short period of time, quite a few people got on the watch list, but it kind of fizzled out. Google didn't really move forward with it. Well, this company makes the official version. It's not called Google Glass, but it's basically the same thing. They already have it used in some medical applications for telehealth. So doctors can, use the glasses and not be in a room with the patients, but still, see what's going on. And I think they're starting to use them in warehouses as well for, inventory and stuff purposes. So it seems like it's starting to catch on quite a bit. Long-term projection, I think, this is a really good company. I think I like their product overall. They ended at 23.84 today. They went up 6 cents, in at 23.90. So not really much momentum coming from this one, but I do have them pegged for a $30 strike price. So I'm definitely going to be looking to see how they continue to grow with the more development of their main flagship product. And then next we have ticker sign AESE, which is Allied Esports Entertainment. So this is a gaming esports stock. They do a lot of presentations. So like if there's like a CS:GO or Call of Duty or League of Legends tournament going on, this will be like one of the companies that sets up that sort of thing, and they rent out the space and have the different vendors and people come out. It's kind of been low because of the whole pandemic going on, but I think the esports, once we get all that stuff settled, esports will definitely take back off, and we'll see more of those esports tournaments starting to come back. They do have a week high of $3.88, ended at 3.20 today, so not too far from their week high. Seems to be some sideways momentum going from this one, but I'm definitely keep my eyes on ticker sign AESE for Allied Sports Entertainment. Next, we have ticker sign ATIF, which is Asia Times Holdings. They do have a week high of $1.66. Moving average 10 is above 50 and 100, and view up is above moving average 10. So positive on that metric. So bullish all the way around. They did end 7 cents below their close to end at $1.45. So overall, not too bad though. Going to be looking to see how they perform for tomorrow. To try to close out the week. Next up, we have ticker sign BBI, which is bullish. Moving average 10 is above 15,100. VWAP above moving average 10. So, going to see how this performs as well. $1.36 is their week high. We'll see how they perform tomorrow if they can jump back above that. VWAP is right at moving average 10. So, maybe some more sideways oscillation going on from this one. So, just be careful when looking at this name. And that is BBI. Next, we have SLGG, which is Super League Gaming, so another gaming esports stock out there. Esports, I think, is still continuing to grow. A lot more people getting into the gaming sphere. Um, you know, starting gaming, building gaming groups, new teams, new games are constantly coming out that people are, starting to be passionate about. So overall, I think the gaming space or gaming market will continue to grow, especially after the pandemic. So they had a week high of 996 or 998, I think that's what it says. Yeah, 998. And then they ended the day at 815. Overall, though, after hours, they went up 42 cents, then 857. So tomorrow, I'm going to be looking to see if they can test that 998 metric, which is their week high, and if that VWAP can jump back above the moving average 10. So definitely going to be looking at SLGG for tomorrow. Next up, we have ticker sign MOXC, which is bullish. Moving average 10 is above 50 and 100, and VWAP is above moving average 10. They did have a week high of 470, ending the day at 335, then going up 3 cents after hours to 338. So overall bullish from the name, though kind of fell down from that 470 resistance level. But going to see if they can jump back up to at least hit the $4 target range for tomorrow. So that's where I'm going to be looking at them to see if they can hit tomorrow's that $4 target range, or this 395 where the VWAP is currently at. And so next we have ticker sign EVOL for Evolving Systems. They did a week high of $5.63. Overall bullish on the name though. Moving average 10 is above 50 and 100, and VWAP is above moving average 10. So definitely gonna be looking to see how they perform tomorrow. Seems to be that they bounced off the moving average 50. So I think that's pretty good. Let's see if they can rally back up. Not really looking for them to hit this $5.63 level, but I am looking for them to hit this 462 level right here. So hopefully they can hit this 462 level for tomorrow to end the week out. I think that would be a nice little rally and wrap up to the week. So they did end on a positive note, ending 2 cents above closed, in at 387. So that's good overall. And last on here, we've ticker sign VISL for VisLink Technologies. They are bullish. Moving average 10 is above 5100, and VWAP is above moving average 10. So overall, bullish on the name. We could see $4.05 is the high for them. So going to be looking to see how they perform for tomorrow, and see if they can jump back up to hit this $4.05 level. So they did end 3 cents below their closed in at 361. So they did have a little downward turn in the day, but let's see if they'll bounce back. And that downward turn was kind of them bouncing off of the moving average 50. So if they duck down below the moving average 50 even further tomorrow when the market opens, then it's probably going to be, not really bullish on this one. But if they can bounce back off of that level and then start going back up, then I'll be looking for the $4.05 level for the resistance. So good luck to everybody out there trading. Hope everybody's able to lock in some profits. A lot of crazy things going on in the market in general. I hope everybody is able to lock in some profits. Hopefully, these videos are helping you all out there. That's the whole point of them. If you have any questions, don't be afraid to ask on the Patreon or just shout it out. I'll try to answer it, or if I don't know the answer, find the answer for you. But good luck to everybody out there trading, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.